Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl. Because you know I'm coming with the banging videos. So here I have my girl. She want to go back red. She wants to be a redhead on her dreads. She was red before her dreads had faded. So first thing first, I'm checking out of her hair, seeing what I have to work with. And first thing first, we're going to clarify, shampoo her hair. So this is after I have shampooed her hair. We got all the moisture out, and we finna just jump right into it. So today I'm using a L'Oreal High Color in the color red. You will need a mixing bowl, a coloring brush. I will be using 40 volume developer. I will not be lightening her hair. We're just going to jump straight into the video. Please make sure that you use gloves, about 2-3 pair. Because your hand will be stained, baby. This is red dye, okay? Period. Let's go on right into the video. I'm making sure that I take my time and saturate each lock, making sure that the color get inside of each lock. Last time she got her hair colored red, she mentioned that it was like some dark spots. The color did not take everywhere. So that is why we cleaned her hair to make sure that it's nothing to block the color from taking. And also I'm doing it lock by lock, saturating it. And I'm only doing the locks right now. We are not going all the way up to the roots. Okay, so now that we applied all our color to the lock, we're going to apply our color to the roots. Same rules apply. Saturation is key. As you can see, this hair is saturated, baby. So I'm gonna get me some shower caps. I'm gonna put her shower cap on, and we're gonna let this color sit for 40 minutes. We're gonna let it sit for 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes, I'm gonna shampoo her hair out using the Paul Mitchell Color Protect shampoo. I will give her an OLAPLEX treatment. Boom, baby, boom. These are the results after the shampoo. And now we're going to just jump straight into the retwist. I want to thank y'all so much for watching my video. Like the girl said, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That will help me drop more videos. That will motivate me to drop more videos. Like the video, comment on the video with any of your questions. And make sure you subscribe to the channel for your girl. Love y'all so much. Mwah. See you soon.